Okay, my turn to draw. Give me the password. Give me it. I'm gonna draw myself. I'm gonna see whether you're cheating. No putting it back. Purple glitter. You can put other colors because the purple is gone. And the pink. No pink and yellow. Pink or yellow. I say no pink or yellow. Orange. Okay. But don't put it all. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, actually this little bit is actually all. How dare you? Hey. What? My slime is a total failure. It's poop. I know. Yours more greenish, not brown. Yeah, I don't really like it, but I still like it. Yeah. Because I like poop. I want to I wish I could add glue. Can I? Oh, since I'm adding, okay. Is this failure? I think this is gonna be failure. Yeah. Because it's not that actually really. Whoa, it looks like a dinosaur. It's like a dinosaur. Scribble, scribble. Okay, this is finished. Little bit. Okay, I think that's it. That's all my glue have. My mother actually used to buy a lot, but no more money, so she earned. And I wish she could buy more. I mean, at times she doesn't have enough cash. We actually make buy more. That time she was out of cash. Because that day was like Friday or yeah. Okay, I have an idea to make it more exciting. You can use that. You see that swirls? That swirls. There's something new here. What's that? Hey! Gonna finish all the good. You betcha. Whoa, so watery. Whoa. I used to do detergent. You just add some in mine. No, of course. You haven't mixed it, that's why. Okay. My turn. I'm gonna eat it. What did I just get? I'm gonna eat it. Tastes so good. It says dump it. Dump it. And then where does it get it? Dump it. Yay! I get a lot. I can dump as much as I want. It's coffee flavored. Whoa, mine is so light. I love it. That one is special. Take it. These are the big green paint. I don't want that paint. It's light green. Okay, that's enough. It's already gone in. It has already gone in. Why is the paint going so fast? Okay, I can see the glitter. Get the orange glitter just now. Okay, I saw it. Glue. Get it. Oh, I'm gonna eat the suro. What's suro? I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. We'll make it more watery, I think. I have lots of slime. Well, it's my turn. I want to just keep it. Pink glitter. I'm gonna wash my hands. Finish. Now the measure of truth. Are you back? Oh, yep. Gonna add a little bit. Mix it. What did you just get? Drunk it. I got purple, green. Draw. I got actually pink. That one's. I think that one's the detergent. Yes. Just get it. Yeah. What's that? Dump it. Okay, dump it as many as you want. Hey, not too much. Okay, now I have a little bit of slime. Yay. Hey, no. You add too much detergent. Dump it back to you. No! I'm gonna eat it. Green fruit. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Oh, no more. Oh my god. Can I share some with you? Especially second bottle. Finish as well. No. Can't share. Meow. Come on. It's still good. Oh, who asked you to put so much? That's all your glue. I'm gonna add some detergent for you. I'm gonna add some for you. No. More. Finish. Dun dun dun. Take a little bit. Oh my gosh! Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This looks like a hen. Take a little bit. I'm gonna try some. A little bit. Dump it here. A little bit. Why are you adding glue inside? I'm gonna try. Put Bernstein paint inside. Let's be more pretty. Pretty Bernstein. Bye. Make sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in part 3. And part 4, then part 5, then part 6, then 7 done, then to 100. Hey, I need to go toilet. Okay, go.